3, 2, 1.
At which hospital was the first British heart transplant operation performed in 1979? The answer is C. Papworth, Cambridge. Who was the first mathematician to use the term group? The answer is A. Évariste Galois. How many gallons are there in a barrel of oil? The answer is A. 42 US gallons. Which theory explains our tendency to help others in need? The answer is A. Social learning theory. What is required to partially overcome the attractive forces between molecules in a solid to form a liquid? The answer is A. Energy. What chemical is used to trigger the ripening of tomatoes that have been picked unripe? The answer is B. Ethylene. At the beginning of the M*A*S*H episode of Yesenia, Henry, what are the main characters doing? The answer is D. Working in surgery. What can't stay hidden when cut in half? The answer is B. Onion. In The Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time, how many items do you trade to get the Big Oron sword? The answer is B. 9. What is the name of the famous painting depicting the signing of the Declaration of Independence? The answer is B. The Signing. What determines the strength of a base when dissolved in water? The answer is D. Amount of hydroxide ions produced. What is Mario's nationality according to Nintendo video games? The answer is B. Italian. What type of radiation has the shortest wavelength? The answer is A. Gamma rays. Which two dead celebrities does Larry encounter in heaven in the final episode of the series Curb Your Enthusiasm when our antagonistic protagonist appears to have died? The answer is B. Ben Hogan and Marilyn Monroe. How many Grammys did Tina Turner win in 1985 for the song What's Love Got to Do with It? The answer is C. 3. The stages of evolution of a star are determined by the mass of the star at the beginning of its life cycle. Which stage of evolution is the oldest form of a massive star? The answer is C. Neutron star. What is the oxidation state of iron in ferrous sulfate? The answer is B. +2. In what year was fictional character Michael Myers born? The answer is C. 1957. What is this item used to prevent mistakes while writing? The answer is A. Eraser. Which ancient Greek astronomer catalogued 48 of the constellations? The answer is C. Ptolemy. Who broke a women's 100m world record in Tokyo Olympics 2021? The answer is B. Elaine Thompson-Herah. What is the common appliance that keeps food and drinks cold? The answer is A. Fridge. Which law explains the relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature for a gas? The answer is C. Boyle's law. What is a loaf of bread sliced crosswise into thin pieces called? The answer is C. Cracker. Sylvester Stallone also hosted a reality TV show called The Contender. What is the show about? The answer is A. Boxing. It is common lore that the Jack-o'-lantern originated from the tale of a drunkard known as Stingy Jack or Jack the Smith. Who did Jack manage to trap? The answer is C. The devil. In a grassland ecosystem, organisms of the same species eat the same food. When there is a lack of rain, which is most likely increased? The answer is D. Competition for resources. What is the last letter of the Greek alphabet? The answer is C. Omega. In the 1981-1982 season of One Day at a Time, Anne Romano finally marries Sam Royer. How were they related before they married? The answer is B. He was Barbara's father-in-law. In Roman mythology, Cupid is the god of desire, affection, and erotic love. Who is his Greek counterpart? The answer is C. Eros. The Witch's Spell, which came to be regarded as a Halloween poem, is spoken in what Shakespearean play? The answer is A. Macbeth. Which vegetable is commonly used in Indian curries? The answer is B. Spinach. The capital of Netherlands is? The answer is A. Amsterdam. Which fruit is also called king of fruits? The answer is C. Durian. What is the name of the black dress Marilyn Monroe wore when she sang Happy Birthday to President JFK? The answer is B. Little Black Dress. The catchphrase "does she or doesn't she" was part of the advertising campaign of which of these? The answer is D. Clairol. What is the smallest unit of data that a computer can process? The answer is A. Byte. Which clothing item is a choker? The answer is D. Necklace. Which of these steps in a rock cycle occurs only in the formation of metamorphic rock? The answer is D, recrystallization. Where do the Taylors live on Home Improvement? The answer is C, Detroit. What is the name of the Voyager spacecraft that was launched in 1977? The answer is D, Voyager. What has roots that grow upstairs and berries that grow downstairs? The answer is C, cabbage tree. What was the relationship between Kate Winslet and Leonardo DiCaprio after they finished filming Titanic? The answer is A, they became good friends. Which sport is also known as footy or soccer? The answer is D, football. Which one of these actors did not participate in the 2004 movie Crash? The answer is B, Heath Ledger. Which food is a traditional British breakfast dish? The answer is C, eggs. Which of these live on land as adults? The answer is C, fire-bellied toads. What can lead to a loss of genetic variation within populations? The answer is B, genetic drift. At the age of 15, Eva Perón went to Buenos Aires to pursue a career as which of the following? The answer is D, actress. Which company introduced IBM PC in 1981?